Hi, I am Murat. Since 2018, I have been guiding people of different ages and levels on their Turkish learning journey. I'm constantly improving myself and my lesson program to make language learning a fun and easy experience. I provide all the materials related to the lesson and send them to you before the lesson. In the lesson, I use various language books, grammar topics prepared by myself, listening practices, reading materials, conversation questions, silent films, scenes from Turkish films and TV series. I send you the lesson notes immediately after the lesson. In addition, after each lesson, I share with you online vocabulary and sentence exercises that I have prepared from our lesson notes. In this way, all students can build a vocabulary that suits their needs. So, do these methods work? For this, I suggest you take a look at the comments of my students. Until now, I have taught hundreds of students from all over the world. Some of these students already know Turkish and want to improve their language skills, while others are starting to learn Turkish from scratch. For my child students, I also developed a lesson program that will attract their attention and teach them while they have fun. In this way, my young students learn Turkish with fun and without getting bored. Would you like to listen to me in Turkish? Merhaba, bu videoyu buraya kadar izlediğiniz için teşekkür ederim. Umarım aklınızdaki soruları cevapladım. Şimdiye kadar yüzlerce öğrenciye Türkçe öğrettim. Sizin de dil öğrenme sürecinize rehberlik etmek istiyorum. Her öğrencinin dil öğrenme süreci farklıdır. Bu sebeple ilk dersimizde genellikle birbirimizi tanıyoruz, beklentilerinizi dinliyorum ve dil hedeflerinizi öğreniyorum. Aynı zamanda size arşivimdeki materyalleri gösteriyorum. Böylece sizin için en uygun ve verimli ders planını birlikte oluşturuyoruz. With more than 5 years of teaching experience, I can guide you through all stages of the language learning and quickly solve any topic you might get stuck on during the lesson. If you are looking for a fun teacher who will make you feel at ease and help you learn the language quickly and comfortably, I am the right tutor for you. If you have any questions, please feel free to send me a message. I look forward to meeting you in the class. See you soon.